But my goal is to grow fast and show everyone you can do exactly what you want in life. Like, I actually truly do appreciate you guys. Sorry if this video is kind of shitty. Don't watch it if you don't like me talking. It was just more of an appreciation post.
Pushing buttons and it's got me on my mind. I gotta watch my weight because Alina made me slide. So dog, I got the pounds of fucking bitches off of Vine. And I know my wrist is sloppy every day.
Hey guys, today I'm back. I'm just gonna make a quick video. Okay, I'm just gonna make a quick video introing my new channel I made. It if some of you guys might know me from my Riley Point channel where I post vlogs, trampoline challenges, you know, the whole works. And I decided I'd start up a vape channel because I wanted to post some vaping videos on my normal channel, but I thought I have younger viewers on there that shouldn't need to see that. So I went ahead and started a vape channel video. So in this channel we're gonna do vape reviews, how-tos, and all the good stuff. Today it's me back at it again. We're doing another vape unboxing. Right there. You guys all asked for better lighting. We did it. What the hell is wrong with this color? You guys are killing it on support, as on like my video has like 6,100 views, and like all my other videos are doing so well, and you guys are supporting me with likes and comments, and the channel is just doing so good, and it's such a blessing to just start up a YouTube channel. And I know you guys are probably like, you're abusing it, like look how far you've come. Just kidding. But I haven't come that far, but we are coming up, and like 62 subscribers, you guys. Me again, and today, hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Canadian Vapor back on the mic. Yo, what's up, guys? Canadian Vapor back on the mic. So I thought you guys are already getting me. We're gonna hit 600 subscribers this December. Just look at this. We're literally about to hit 300 subscribers. I'm so blessed, you guys. 630 subscribers. So, hey, yo, what's going on, guys? Canadian Vapor back on the mic.
Why?
Because now that one. There it is.
Yo, bro. Ka-ching.
Holy fuck.
You betcha. Screenshot.
Oh.
You did it.
I hope you all had a Merry Christmas. 1,700 people subscribed to my YouTube channel. Insane. Blows my mind. Like 1,700 just of like 5 minutes ago. I literally hit 1,700 subscribers. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. My name is Riley. I run this YouTube channel, Canadian Vapor, with over 3,000 subscribers, and I'm so thankful for that. But thank you guys so much for 6.6 thousand subs. Means a lot to me. Family, so happy Easter, everyone.
Wu-Tang. True religion.
True religion. Trues. And now. Oh. Oh. Here, hold it. And for some reason, out of everyone, I made it to 10K, which is weird, but my journey was not the easiest to get there. It was kind of easy, but 2 years ago, I started YouTube again, or kind of like, yeah, 2 years ago when I was in college, I started started YouTube again, and I put all my effort into it and got nothing back. Like, I made no money. I grew like none. I wasn't getting views. I was putting out amazing content, just as you would see from people with like 1 million subscribers. I was putting out the same kind of content, vlogging, doing insane things. I literally spent like $6 grand on filming equipment and just trying to have the best of the best. And going out every day, spending tons of money for gas and just to go do stuff. I don't know if I'm blocking my microphone, but yeah, tons of money just to do stuff. And kind of my goal on this second channel, I just sat down and was like, you know what? I need to make a new channel because this one's dead. It's not going anywhere. Feel me? And it just didn't grow. So I started this vape channel up. I was sitting in my room. I was like, fuck, I need to make a different channel. I need to grow. I want to be a YouTuber. I need to do this. And I just sat there, thought of what would be on the market for growing the fastest. And I just saw vape right away because it was hot in the moment, and that's all I really knew the best of was vaping. I went, started the channel, put out my first video, and at that point I was like, I haven't started a fresh channel in so long, like I don't know if I'm gonna even be successful with this. And my first video got like 1,000 views, and then I got like 100 subscribers that week. Just like in like 2-3 months I hit 1,000 subs, and I was just every day at work checking my phone, checking the live count. Seeing it go up was just insane, and then I realized that I was passing my main channel, which was my vlog channel. I was just like, holy shit, this can actually be something. And then I hit 1,000 subscribers in Mexico, and I was shitting myself. And then I kind of just focused a lot on YouTube, and somehow I got to 10,000. But my goal is just to show people, like if I could just grow really fast, I know everybody wants to, but my goal is to grow fast and show everyone you can do exactly what you want in life. Like if I can make YouTube a career, I wanted to do it ever since I was in grade 7. So if I'm able to do it, I don't see why no one else can, because I'm literally just a normal human being that has a boring ass life. Well, sometimes it's boring, but most of the time it's entertaining. And if I could do it, I don't see why anybody else can't. And a lot of people hate on me in the comments, but a guy really showed why people do subscribe to me. And I just want to share love and positivity with everybody. I love everyone, and I respect everyone, and no matter what they're doing, making music, making videos, photography, whatever they do, I want to support them and help them grow to what they can be. If I see potential in them, I'm gonna help them as much as possible. Deadline. But anyways, that's just my little rant. If you want to be a YouTuber or do anything you want in life, anything is completely possible. This is all just motivational and me speaking out of my heart and not just hiding behind a camera, just filming a video and being boring. But I'm picking up my friend. I apologize if you guys didn't like that part. There's still a vlog to come. It's gonna be a bit of a longer video. But hey, it's for 10,000 subscribers. I don't know what else to do. Nobody comments and tells me what to do. I was gonna go buy out the whole store on Store and Airs. They had 19 of them, which was like $600, and then I was gonna buy a whole case of pods so they'd have to restock on everything. And they were like shitting their pants when I told them I was gonna do that. But I was thinking about doing that, and then I don't know what to do for 10K, but I want to do something special, whether it's shaving my head bald or, you know, shaving my nuts on camera or something like no, I'm just kidding, but like setting my car, doing anything you guys kind of want. You guys got me to 10K, so I'll pretty well do anything you guys want, besides making porno or something. But anyways, I'm picking up my friend right now. The vlog is happening. We're just gonna go have fun today. I'm super energetic, I'm super happy, I'm super motivated, and I just want to film, okay? I just want to fucking film. Just want to film my life and share it with you guys, because videos like these are the videos that I like to watch, okay? But let's get into this. I'm picking them up right now, okay? You don't see your pretzel mug. What did you want to buy today, bro? Bro. Hey? What did you want to buy today, bro? A Cuban. Cuban. We're headed off to a different mall, because this one's fucking not with the shits, and it's actually dog shit. So we're gonna go to the most packed mall in Winnipeg. Unfortunately, you get your Chewy dog cold. My pretzel dog is cold. Take a bite. I just want to see how it tastes, bro. I don't know. Let's look at it first. $5 for a little ass thing, it's bro. It's a Cuban. Give me a bite, man. Just let me have a fucking. It's like burn. Let me try this shit, bro. Well, not a big bite. No, just let me rip me off one chunk, bro. Take a bite. Fucking hell. What's wrong with this shit? Oh, soggy shit, bro. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, it's gonna be fucking disgusting. Okay, off to the next mall, okay? Mm-hmm. So burnt, but whatever. Okay, let's rock and roll. Okay, turn that shit off, bro. I'm ugly as fuck. Bro. Cheers! Oh! Okay! What's your name? Ah. But anyways, guys, long day today. Shopping. We went shopping. I vlogged a little bit in the car. My hair looks like Jimmy Neutron. I got a haircut. You feel me? Except for the top. I left the top long. But went shopping. Oh shit. Almost got talked into buying Versace shoes. But I'm gonna buy shoes when I get home. If you guys like vlogs like this, let me know. Copped sweats from Mexico because all my sweats are stained and I have no nice sweats. So I got just like a basic pair of sweats there. And then we got these Champion ones here. I like these ones personally. And we got matching flops with it. I mean the matching ones would have been deadlier, but we got these ones because my white ones are all fucked. And I had Gucci ones, but they got completely detonated. So yeah, we're gonna be rocking like this in Mexico, and I'm super happy. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching this video. I'm gonna make a few videos tonight, I think, and maybe one tomorrow, edit and just like upload. So if you guys see multiple videos in one day, that's why. Because the first day I probably won't upload, and I don't know if there's internet. So I heard it's gotta be paid, which I mean I'll buy the internet if I have to, but it's like expensive as a whole. But I'll still do it so I can upload and shit. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure to drop a huge thumbs up on this video. And I just can't thank you guys enough for 10,000 amazing subscribers. I'll take a vape hit for that one. Shit, it's off. That's for you guys for 10,000 subs. I'm gonna drop a Fortnite video after this. Thank you all again so much for watching. I actually truly do appreciate you guys. Sorry if this video is kind of shitty. Don't watch it if you don't like me talking. It was just more of an appreciation post, just so it's like not just straight me like just going past the fact that I hit 10,000. So this whole video is going to be a montage kind of thing at the start, a vlog, and then you'll see me now. But thank you guys again. I literally can't thank you guys enough. I can't wait to hit the next milestone. And peace, guys.